Hi beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings. Today we are looking at my BeautyFix box and this is presented by Dermstore. So this subscription is my November 2024 box. I finally was able to get to this one, you guys. I am running out of days this month in November. Like, I can't believe it, you guys, that we're already at the end. And I looked at all of my normal monthly subscription boxes today. And the problem with doing advent calendars is I just don't get to my regular boxes. So I'm looking and I'm like, holy bananas, like I'm running out of time. So I chose this one to go through today because I love this subscription. So I was like, I want to see what's going on inside of it for November. So just know that if you don't see my regular monthly boxes right now, it's not because I dislike them or have had a falling out or anything. It's just the advents take precedent right now. That's the only thing that's happening. So like I said, this is our November beauty box. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, you guys. Now, you can still get this box for November, but you have to order in the month of November. So I know we're already at the end of the month. You don't have a lot of time to order this, but if you guys want this exact same box, I've got a link down below and then you can get it, but just you got to order in November is all. So like I said, there is a link down below if you guys are interested in this subscription. I also have a discount code that works off of your total purchase order. Now that discount code works on anything on the Dermstore website. So that means that you can purchase individual items or you can buy their subscription box and you can save a little bit of money at the same time. Now, what I recommend with this box is go with a 3-month plan or longer. Now, what you'll need to do is when you click on my link, it will take you to the BeautyFix page and there's going to be a button that says pay up front or pay monthly. It defaults to pay monthly, but what I recommend is click the pay up front and change it to a 3, 6, or 12-month plan. And what that will do is you will have to pay all at once for those boxes. So you would pay up front for all 3 boxes if you did a 3-month plan. But my code will save 15% off of that total purchase order. And you're also going to get free shipping on that order as well. So it works out to being about $20 a month, and you'll pay about $60 for 3 months of boxes. And I want to say the shipping is like $7 or $8, you guys, a month. So, I mean, don't waste $7 or $8 a month. Like, you might as well just pay ahead and get it for 20 bucks. I mean, would you want to spend 28 on this? Like, I wouldn't. So first item inside of our November box is from ElaMD. This is the Skin Recovery Essence Toner. This is a full-size product that we have here. So excited about this one. So this helps to repair damaged skin and it will also calm your skin down and minimize irritation at the same time. It has antioxidants in here as well. And it says that it's fragrance-free, dye-free, paraben-free. It's also going to be safe for sensitive skin. So it's really good. I mean, honestly, everything from ElaMD is pretty good. I feel like they have really decent products that don't have a bunch of junk in them either. So I do like this brand a lot, but this is awesome, especially helping to repair damaged skin. I feel like this is good for winter. Like, this is when I start changing out my skincare routine is because that winter air is coming. That's a good one. And honestly, it probably just paid for my whole box. The next item that we have in here, and I'm also sure this is a full-size product, this is medicate. I feel like, I just said this the other day, you guys, I feel like I am in a love relationship with this brand because I've tried their products more so this year than ever before, and I really do like this brand. Like, it's good stuff, you guys. So this one's their night cream. So essentially it is a nighttime moisturizer that has ceramides inside of this. So it is a full-size product that we have here at 1.7 ounces. You want to obviously cleanse first, and then you're going to put this moisturizer on after that. This is what it will look like here. It is a little dusty. They do have like those black crinkle papers they'll put in the box, and it will kind of leave like this dustiness on some of the products. And because this is white, of course, it's going to show up a lot more so because it's a black tissue paper. But this one says that you can put this on your face and neck, and then the ceramides will help to absorb in. This will help to give you hydration for your skin and also make it a little bit healthier. They do recommend on here that you should use a vitamin C and sunscreen product in the morning. So it may give you, I don't know, I'm kind of reading between the lines on this, but the fact that they're recommending the vitamin C, I'm wondering if this might dull your skin a little bit overnight, that you might need to follow up with like a brightening treatment in the morning. That's just, like I said, I'm just speculating based off of what it says, but I do love that it is a full-size product. So already for $20 to have 2 full-size items in here, you guys, I mean, they could have stopped at that. Like, I would have been happy getting just those 2 items inside of my box because I know it's not really free shipping. Like, somebody had to pay for shipping. So I would have been fine with those 2 items. But there's more. So this next item is from Holy Frog, and it is their Halo AHA BHA Evening Serum. Oh, so I think it's full size again. But we have another nighttime product. So it's 1 ounce or 30 ml. It looks full size to me. Great brand. This is glow in the dark and the morning after too. That's what it says on here. I don't know if I want to glow in the dark, but it is kind of funny. So it says that this one will help to exfoliate dead skin cells. It's going to repair and nourish your skin. It will also help to even out any tone, texture, fine lines, or enlarged pores. So this will specifically target cell damage and stimulate the cell turnover for skin that not only looks renewed, but behaves healthier as well. Oh. So this is designed if you have dull skin, if you have rough or congested skin, then you want to be using this product. And you would put it on at night again. So right before bed, let it do its treatment overnight. And then because it's got 11% of those acids in there, I can see why this would be effective because those acids will kind of break down all of that texture as well. So it sounds like it's going to be a good product. I love seeing this brand in here too. What is this? This is so blue, you guys. Like, I don't know. It's like TARDIS blue. Like, it's really vivid. So this is from RNCO. Oh, it's a hair product. It's their Smooth and Seal Blow Dry Mist. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's a little, well, I guess it's easier to read under the lights over here, but maybe my eyes are weak. I thought it was a little hard to read, but now on camera it looks fine. So this is what it looks like though. So from RNCO, this is 30 ml or 1 ounce. It is cruelty free. It also mentions that this cap that they have on here, it's made from 100% recycled products. So that's also really awesome. I just watched this documentary, you guys. It's on Netflix right now, and it's called Buy More or Buy Now or something like that. And there's just a lot to digest and like looking into all of it and everything. But just seeing this recycling program, how it's not as effective, I guess, is what it's supposed to be. And so now I'm like, wow, I think I need to do a better job at finding products and working with products that are more sustainable. And so I really appreciate just seeing this, that already they're using recycled products to make even something simple as like their cap. So anyways, that's a whole nother side story, but I just thought that was really interesting that it's on here. So this hair care mist, it says you're going to apply this light mist to towel dried hair. So it needs to be damp and you're just going to comb it through and then blow dry it afterwards. And that's going to seal your hair strands from losing moisture and not getting damaged throughout the day. That's the idea behind this product. I will tell you, this box is very skincare and hair care heavy. So if you're looking for a makeup subscription, I wouldn't buy this box for that reason. This is definitely for people that love skincare and hair care. And it's a great box at that. They're very effective. So the next item that I have in here is also from RNCO. And this is their Air Dry Cream. So this is just a sample that we have here. 15 ml or half an ounce, also cruelty free. This product, it's supposed to work for all hair types and it will tame frizz. And it says you won't need to blow dry this or anything. You're just going to put this cream through and it's going to actually comb down all the frizz and keep everything nice and smooth for you. And then the last item that we have in here is from La Roche-Posay, and this is a very tiny serum. It's their dark spot corrector and it has niacinamide inside of it. This little guy is super tiny. We have 3 ml here. For a second, I thought I was unboxing an Advent. I'm so petty. I'm sorry. That was probably uncalled for, but I don't know anymore. This is what I associate with Advent calendars. So this one is the dark spot corrector, and so it will help to brighten up. It is a spot treatment. You would not put this on all over. Not that you could anyways with only 3 ml of product. I mean, let's be real. You wouldn't be able to put this all over your face, but you could touch up a few spots and it would take down the dark spots. So that is everything inside of the BeautyFix box for November. I mean, holy bananas. It's great, you guys. I'm so glad I was able to get this open before November's over because now you guys can still get it. So I do think this is a really good month this month. So we have 6 products inside of this box, 3 of which are full size. Maybe, I don't know about this guy. I assume this is travel size, but I honestly don't know, so they could surprise us. But for $20, we definitely made back our money and then some on this. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what do you think of the BeautyFix box by Dermstore? If you are interested in this subscription box, like I said, I do have a link down below for you. And I also have a discount code to save you some money off of your box as well. But I would definitely recommend, based off of value alone and the brands that are in here, I would 100% recommend getting this box this month. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!